Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about the development. So in the development, first and foremost, we will learn what development is and what are the gross motor and fine motor and language and speech development. First, development. Development is attainment of maturity of a function is development. First, we have rules of development. The continuous process. Rules of development include first we will see the previous video is not clear, so I am just explaining you. So development is attainment of maturity of a function is development. So we have certain rules of development. Development is a continuous process, and here you will have development is actually a sequence of attainment of milestones. It is actually a sequence where different milestones are attained one after the other, and this sequence will be same for all the individuals or for all the babies. Then this development will depend on the neurological status of the child. If the child is neurologically sound, normal, then development will be 100% normal. Then the development starts from head region and goes to the tail region, which is called as cephalocaudal direction. Then there are certain primitive reflexes should be lost for the development to take place. So first we will learn about the gross motor development. So in gross motor development, in 1 month of life, in ventral suspension, head is present below the plane of rest of the body. There is no neck control. Then in 2 months, you will see that in ventral suspension, head is in plane of the rest of the body. And in 3 months, in ventral suspension, head is seen above the rest of the body. And in prone position, the child can So I'll tell you again, at 1 month, head is below the plane of the rest of the body, like this. Okay, that is in ventral suspension, head is below the plane of the rest of the body. Then in 2 months, head is in plane of the rest of the body in ventral suspension. Then in 3 months, in ventral suspension, head is present above the plane of rest of the body. Okay, now in ventral suspension, head is present above the plane of the rest of the body, and in prone position, the child can lift the head and shoulders above the ground level and can also bear the weight on forearms. Okay, he can lift his head and also shoulders above the ground level, and he can bear his weight on the shoulders. Okay, so this is one thing. Then at 4 months, partial weight bearing is possible when you made to stand. When you just hold the baby and made the baby to stand, then he will stand partially. In 5 months, there will be feet to mouth, and you will see complete neck control is seen in 5 months. In 6 months, the baby starts supporting his weight on the extended arms in prone position. That is, from prone to supine position. He can also turn from prone to supine position. He will start sitting with support or sitting in tripod position is seen at 6 months of age. Okay. Now he sits with support. So this is the picture showing the baby sitting with support. Then we have 7th month. 7th month, he can turn from supine to prone position. In 8 months, he can sit without support or crawls. In 9th month, standing with support. 10th month, he starts creeping. 10 to 11th month, pivoting and cruising will start. 12 months, he stands without support and also walks with support, stands without support, walks with support, especially one hand held, and he can also walk on hands and feet like a bear. He can walk on hands and feet like a bear. Then 15 months, he creeps upwards and walks without support, and 18 months At 18 months, he goes upstairs and downstairs by holding a side rail. He goes upstairs and downstairs by holding the side rail, and also the baby also pulls a toy and runs by 18 months. Then by 2 years, he goes upstairs and downstairs. He goes upstairs and downstairs 2 feet per step, or the baby kicks a ball and walks backwards. The baby kicks a ball and walks backwards. Then we have by 3 years of age, he goes upstairs with alternating feet. He goes upstairs with alternating feet, but he comes downstairs with 2 feet per step. He comes downstairs 2 feet per step. 3 for tricycle, so the baby starts riding tricycle. 4 years of age, he goes upstairs and downstairs with alternating feet and he hops. He starts hopping. Then by 5 years of age, he skips, and he can also stand on one leg for more than 10 seconds. These are the gross motor findings. So these gross motor findings are very important. So at 1 month, that is head is below the plane of the rest of the body. 2 months, head is in line with plane of the rest of the body. 3 months, head is above the plane of the rest of the body. So he has started lifting his head from ground slowly above, and then there is partial weight bearing in 4 months, and in 5 months you should see complete neck control, which is important. 6 months, the most important is sitting with support, whereas 9 months you should remember these 3, 7 and 8 are in the middle. So by 9 months he starts standing with support. This you should remember. And by 12 months the baby starts walking with support. So 6 months sitting with support, 9 months standing with support, 12 months walking with support, 15 months walking without support, 2 years goes upstairs and downstairs with 2 feet per step. Then 3 years tricycle, 4 years hops, and 5 years skips. And it's easy. 3 years he goes upstairs with alternating feet, and he goes downstairs 2 feet per step. 4 years he goes upstairs and downstairs with alternating feet. So this is how you remember. Then we have fine motor. In fine motor milestones, 1 month hand is kept closed, palmar grasp reflex is felt. Palmar grasp reflex is positive. Then 3 months hands are kept open and palmar grasp reflex is lost. And the baby also holds an object when placed in hand. The baby holds an object when placed in hand. Hand regard appears. Hand regard appears. This hand regard will disappear at 12 weeks. This disappears at 12 weeks. Then we have 4 months. 4 months the baby tries to reach an object but he overshoots. Then 5 months bidextrous grasp will appear. 5 months, 6 months unidextrous grasp will appear, or this is also called as palmar grasp. So 5 months bidextrous grasp, 6 months unidextrous grasp or palmar grasp, and the child can feed itself a biscuit. Then 7 months the baby can transfer object from one hand to other. So 7 months the baby can transfer an object from one hand to another. Then we have 9 months. 9 months we have immature or assisted pincer grasp is seen, which is for 12 months, and in 12 months you will see mature and unassisted pincer grasp. See, 9 months immature pincer grasp, 12 months assisted, unassisted or mature pincer grasp. Then 15 months the baby starts to scribble, feed self a cup and tower of 2 cubes. 18 months the baby turns 2 to 3 pages at a time, feeds with a spoon and tower of 3 cubes. Then we have 2 years. 2 years the baby starts drawing horizontal and vertical line. The baby draws and turns pages single and tower of 6 cubes. And in 2 years the baby will also undress self, and he also turns a door knob and unscrews a lid, turns a door knob and unscrews the lid. Then at 3 years, the circle is drawn and the baby dresses and also undresses self except the buttons. Dresses and undresses self except the buttons. Tower of 9 cubes are seen. Then handedness appears at 3 years of age. Then at 4 years of age, a box or plus is drawn, and this will catch, the baby catches a ball and can button or unbutton. You can also see formation of bridge with a cubes. With cubes he can form a bridge at 4 years. At 5 years the baby draws triangle and X. The baby forms triangle and X by 5 years, and he can make a gate with cubes and can tie the shoelaces by 5 years. So these are the fine motor milestones which are important. What is most important is 1 month hands kept closed and palmar grasp reflex is present. 3 months palmar grasp reflex is lost, holds an object when placed. 6 months palmar grasp. 9 months assisted pincer grasp. 12 months unassisted pincer grasp. 15 months scribbling, feeding self with a cup or spoon. 2 cubes, 15 for 2 cubes. Then we have 18 months. In the 18 months he can turn 2 or 3 pages at a time, and he can feed self with a spoon. First with the cup, then with spoon. This is tower of 3 cubes. Then 2 years horizontal vertical line, and 2 threes are 6 cubes. 3 years circle, 3 threes are 9 cubes. 4 years 4 sides, that is triangle and plus, and bridges and builds a bridge. 5 years triangle and a cross makes a gate. So this you should remember very well. Then we have social milestones. So in the social milestones, at 1 month the child looks at the mother intently when talked to. The child looks at the mother intently when talked to. 2 months social smile. 2 months social smile. 3 months recognizes the mother. 3 months recognizes the mother. 6 months mirror play appears. 7 months stranger anxiety appears. So he is anxious to strangers. 8 months object permanence. 8 months object permanence. 9 months waves bye bye. 10 months plays a peekaboo. Then at 12 months kisses on request, and all the baby also plays a simple ball game. Then at 15 months points to objects and also indicates wet pants. Points to objects and indicates wet pants at 15 months. 18 months domestic mimicry is seen, and there is dry during the daytime. And the baby is dry during the daytime. At 2 years parallel play appears. Then at 3 years the baby joins in a play, and the baby will know his name, age, gender, and the baby also tries to be dry during the night. Then at 4 years goes to toilet alone and asks questions. By 5 years starts helping in simple household tasks. And also distinguishes morning from evening, and the baby also compares 2 weights and can follow a 3-step command So these are the important social milestones. So in the social milestones, first the baby looks at the mother intently at 1 month, which is important. At 2 months social smile. 6 months mirror play. 9 months waves bye bye. 12 months kisses on request. At least these we should remember, though we won't remember the rest. Then language milestones. In language milestones, 1 month the baby quietens when a bell is rung. 2 months vocalizes. 3 months cooing appears. 4 months laughs aloud. Then 5 months razzling appears. 6 months speaks monosyllables. 9 months speaks bisyllables with meaning. bisyllable babbling, bisyllables without meaning, which is called as bisyllable babbling. Then 1 year speaks 2 to 3 words without meaning, and also the baby starts imitating simple sounds. Then 15 months there is jargon speech. 18 months knows 10 words with meaning, that is 18 months. 2 years speaks short sentences which are of 2 words, like uses pronouns I, me, you, and the baby also has vocabulary of 50 to 100 words. Then 3 years uses plural and past tense, repeats 3 digits and also 3 word sentences. Then 4 years tells a story or poem and also sings a song. At 5 years repeats 4 digits and also names 4 colors. So these are the important things in language milestones. So in the language milestones we should definitely remember. So thank you for watching.